Hello, this is Notary Life with Kimmi. So today I'm going to be doing a mock signing of a power of attorney, okay? And I'm just going to get right into it because it's a lot of information. This is something you can add to your Google My Business page, and people will often need you to come to hospitals or homes. It could be anywhere actually that someone needs to relinquish their power and give it to someone else. So today I'm going to walk through what that looks like for you and go over a few keywords you need to look for. And then I'm actually going to do a whole mock signing, okay, of a power of attorney. So first of all, the person who's giving away the power is also known as the principal. And the person that they're giving the power to is often called the attorney in fact or the agent. And they're going to be able to sign on behalf of the original person. You will always need to ID your signer. You will have witnesses for this, normally 2, and I always ID the witnesses also. Now, that's my practice for my business. You need to follow what your state rules are and what your state says about that, okay? But I always ID my signer and I ID my witnesses. Also, the reason people would give up a power of attorney is maybe they're having a medical situation, they're going to be hospitalized, and they need someone to look after their finances for them, or a medical power of attorney, they need someone to make the decisions for them. So it's many reasons. They could be traveling out of state, out of the country. Many reasons why someone would need someone else to act as their power of attorney. So these are pretty simple. It's not your responsibility to know what's inside the document. As if any other signing, you're responsible for identifying everyone and making sure that the person is in their right mind, that they're signing of their own free will. So this is just a little bit about what the power of attorney is and how you can get business. You advertise this again on your Google My Business page. Now, when pricing a power of attorney, depending on what you can charge in your state, you may want to charge a little bit more than you would for a normal notarization because it's going to take more time. You have more people to identify. You don't know. It's a lot of unknowns when you're doing things like a power of attorney. So you may want to charge a little bit more for that service. So what does the phone call sound like when someone calls you for general notary work and they need a power of attorney? I'll do one with you now, okay? Hello, thank you for calling None Better Notary. This is Kimberly. How may I help you? Okay, you want to get a power of attorney completed. Very well. It's for yourself? Okay, yes. Yes, we do that. Do you have current ID? All right, and then where are you located? How many witnesses are required for your document? Do you have your own witnesses? Okay, you do have your own witnesses. Okay, very good. It needs 2, and they both are over 18 with current ID also, correct? Very good. Okay, well, yes, I will see you at 1 o'clock. Is that okay? Yes, I will see you then. Thank you. Bye. So it's very good to have additional services that you can offer to your clients as a notary, because as we all are aware right now, there may be a shift as far as the refinances are concerned, but you can market yourself for wills and power of attorneys to nursing homes. Lawyers often need people to go to their clients' homes that are immobile and not able to move. So there's still a big market out there for this type of work. You can almost make sometimes on a power of attorney or a will signing what you would make on the job of a signing company or a refi sometimes, depending on all the factors, as I stated, because these jobs take a lot longer. And I'm going to take you to actually do one in just a moment, okay? We're also here at the power of attorney signing for Mrs. Jones, and I'm going to go ahead and put her under oath. We have our 2 witnesses, and then we'll proceed with the signing, okay? I've already ID'd them and wrote it in my journal. Mrs. Jones, we'll get you to raise your right hand, please. You swear that the information contained in the documents is true and accurate to the best of your knowledge under penalty of perjury, so help you God?
Yes.
Thank you. We'll go ahead and get you to sign, please, Mrs. Jones. Thank you. We'll get witness number 1. Very good. Witness number 2. Then I'll go ahead and I'll add my gold seal. I will emboss that because, again, on power of attorneys and wills, if your state permits, people do like to see that. I'll also add my stamp, and that completes our power of attorney signing. So I hope that you can add will signings and power of attorneys to your business plan, and it's been my pleasure to share these tips with you.